Here we go, guys. Just a real quick video on XRP, the price action and the targets we're looking for, and the structure of the chart right now. And as you can see, for our members, we started back over here first of November 2024. The blue arrows are our scale in other words, gradually adding to our positions, just like an institution would. And what we look for on any of these charts with any crypto, Bitcoin, stocks, whatever, look for a location and then an event candle, and then we put our stop loss in, okay? And just like in real estate, location is really the premier, the most important part of locating potential price action on the chart for the highest odds, highest probability of success. And that's what you want to do. Increase your odds, increase your probability that the market will go in the direction that your thesis is, okay? So back here, we had one of the best locations you can find on a chart. And then we had a great event candle that took us out of that location. And I would delve more into this, but our members pay for this information, so I'm just going to give you kind of the highlights. And then we had a red bar ignored after a time count, so that was another high odds, high probability entrance level zone, price zone for XRP. Then we had a couple of consolidation zones, and then the breakout from those. And then also the two most important moving averages on your chart are the 20 and the 200. 20 being the blue, 200 on this chart being the red. And all that means is that the 20, for example, if you're on a daily chart, that's just the average closing price of the last 20 days. And then the 200 on the daily chart is the average closing price of the last 200 days, okay? But every so often we'll slip in the 8, for example. And let me put that on. And as you can see, price pulled right into the 8, bounce into the 8, bounce, so on and so forth, okay? And then on top of that, back in this area here, let me pull that up for you. And as you can see, this was one of our posts on X, December 2nd, 2024. All right, I'll tell you, I'll be looking to go short XRP at the whole round number, $3, okay? And this trade is only, active for a few hours or a few days, okay? Not financial advice. And then we did another follow-up on December 9th. We gave our members a heads-up price target of XRP before, and then we ended up in that M formation, okay? That's another situation we like, looking for as price pulls back. But anyway, we knew that red dash line around $3 to $3.31 was going to be our max, target, max price that XRP was going to be able to hit, and it was going to be hard to go through that, okay? And as you saw from the screenshots, we call that, almost a month before it happened, okay? So that's the type of stuff techniques, methodology we teach our members. And then going forward right now, and I appreciate you watching this video, so I'm going to go ahead and give you a little heads up. This low pivot here, as you see, we can stretch it across, and we pick up all the wicks and previous test of that price level going over really to December 9th, 2024, okay? So we're looking for that to be a good zone for most probably May. But the premier, I'll let you in on a big secret here. The premier target and the best target, like we talk about location, is going to be this 200 simple day moving average here around 180. Okay. And what you do, you can go back, you can see if I'm lying or not. You can go back to any chart, doesn't matter if it's crypto, stocks, Apple, Meta, JP Morgan, doesn't matter. Go back to anything that price has gone well above and over the 200. and an extended price range. And when price comes back into that 200, it will either consolidate or bounce. And I'm not saying here right now that, we're going to consolidate here and then bounce and go through, $3. I'm just saying, we should get a little reprieve, okay, of the price action because we have gone really from this high here above the 200 and then over here, the high price above the 200. So we're due for a consolidation here. It might wick, and a candle wick is, something like that under it, but we should hold that 200 and see if the other, if the market will catch up with us and hold. And quite frankly, I challenge you to find another chart, another crypto chart, altcoin chart out there that is as strong as XRP. See, that was our most recent, high. Okay, actually, it was an all-time high, but and then we pull back, just a slight amount. Now this is going to look big. It's like 40 something percent from the high to, well, this low here, because we're even higher now. That's 40, yeah, 47%. Okay. If we come into the 200, just a little, 47 and a half. And then this area here, that's the next location. If we break down because the whole market collapses, then we're looking at this range over here that gets us into, close to a 60% pullback. And of course, those numbers look really big because you're not dealing with much of a price. Okay, it's not like it's at $10, $5 or whatever. So anyway, I'll wrap this up. People like these videos short and sweet, so let me get out of here. Thanks so much for watching. And if you'd like to learn how to do this stuff, learn our methodology that has a high percentage of success, the links down below in the description regarding our Patreon site. And we have 2 Zoom meetings per week. One for the beginners, people just entering the market that never even seen a chart before. And then we have a second Zoom meeting each week for, more advanced people that have, maybe been in the market a while, been, trading stocks on their own for a while, so on and so forth. So a little bit of something for everybody. And then we give posts and information almost daily, including videos and how to chart school stuff. But guys, thanks so much, and we will see you on the charts.